Today, I'm here at the Lydia Home Association in Chicago, helping out a friend who works here. The Lydia Home is a Christian nonprofit organization that's been serving children in Chicago since 1916. Now their mission is to strengthen families to care for children and to care for children when the families cannot. I'm here today because of this table that I'm sitting at. Now, believe it or not, this table started out shorter. In fact, it was a kitchen table at one time. It ended up at a thrift store for 14 bucks, purchased on half price day for $7 by my friend Becky, who works here at the Lydia Home. Becky, who uses this office, needed a taller table right here in this corner and asked me if I could use some of my woodworking magic and turn a beat up table into a nicer, taller corner table. Now my first thought was, I don't think that's possible. My second thought was, I'm up for the challenge. Now, let's get into how I made the transformation. When it comes to matching stain, this is where I have a lot to learn. It's more of an art than a science. You rarely find the exact color you need in one can of stain. In my case, it took 3 different colors just to get it close, and even still, I wasn't completely satisfied. One time when I was trying to match the color of a drawer front, I ended up sanding it off 3 times before I got it right. The good thing about this warm weather is that I was able to stain this table and give it 3 coats of polyurethane in a 24-hour period. I drove the new table back to the Lydia home in Chicago to surprise Becky. I invested about 6 hours into this table. Now, the table is going to be used daily as Becky invests in the lives of children and families in this community.